How to perform internet speed test on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to perform internet speed test, first of all launch Google or Chrome browser. I'm going to go for google.com over here and simply tap on the search bar and search for internet speed test. As you do that, you'll be able to see this internet speed test available on Google for free. So here you can see the option of run speed test. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, or you can just go for another data or mobile data over here. So I'm going to select on the option of run speed test. It will now start to have the internet speed test. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. So after a few seconds, it might be uploaded and it might show us what the actual internet speed is on our connection that we have joined. So let's wait. So here the connection or internet speed for download is 110.5 Mbps, while for upload is 63.5. So you can just tap on test again if you're not convinced. If yes, we can just simply make a screenshot over here and keep this data. So that's how you can perform internet speed test on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.